Alright, so today I'm gonna try and change these. What are these? These are these. And see that? That is no bueno. So the things just drop. Alright, let's see how I can do it. Sit this here. I don't got anywhere magnetic to drop the camera in the trunk. Alright. Ooh, interesting. Because the main thing is, how do I get these things off? It comes with instructions. A, B, C, D. It looks like it got some kind of like ball joint on it. Is that all it is? The ball joint? How do I get it off? Do I gotta take off the actual hinges here? I don't have anything that big. Because the way it looks like there's a little hole right here. I don't know if you can, there's no light over here. So you see there's a little hole right here. And it's supposed to go a little ball or pivot right here. I gotta see how to take that off. Unless this thing comes out. Okay. Let's see. Unscrew the mounting bolts. All right, let me just be a tech and take stuff apart. Now, where'd I put my bits? Get a flat head. Put this to lock and see if this piece pops off. My instructions went flying. It's a little breezy out. Okay. See if this little clip pops off. Get rust in my eye either. Okay, this little metal clip comes out, but now does that mean I can pull this off? Still can't get that piece off. Take off the same clip on the bottom part. Ow. Damn it. Well, it bends easy. All right, that's the bottom part. That's this bottom side here. So now I took off both of those little ring things. Let's see, can I get it out now though? And just hope it don't come crashing down. Still can't get this damn thing to move. Oh wait, lifted it up, it came off. All right. Now, how do I get it on? It's dirty. All right, let's see. Does it just snap on? Oh, it snaps on. All right, all right, all right. This is gonna be the same thing for the bottom part. And, oh, missed. It snapped right on. All right. So now I get to do the other side. Do this side right here. Let's see, can I stick it? Can I stick it? Can I stick it? Okay, stick it on the gate. Stick it on the gate right here. Okay, so it's a clip right here. Just pull off the clip. Okay, because the clip holds the ball. Now that I know. Oh, is there a leaf in my way? Oh, I didn't have to peel out the leaf. I can just move the camera. Oh well. Oops, sorry. All right, so move that and take off the other one over here. Damn, that one just snapped and went somewhere. Okay, so now I think this one's still on. Okay, took that off. All right, now this one wants to fight a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Also, you definitely need two, because even with the new one, that one is struggling to hold the whole thing up. All right. So now, let's take this piece in, clean off the little ball joint, snap this on, and now lift it up and snap the bottom part on. Now we good. Now let's see, how does it close? Better, because otherwise it would just slam and it wasn't pushing itself up. All right, cool. So now got throw out these two old ones, go inside, wash my hands, because yeah, these things were, sorry, yeah, these things are definitely done for. All right, cool. Brooklyn salute. I'm out. Fixing the car with the Action 4 and the BOYA Mini Mic.